it's me, Myra, at Down Home Money, a simple approach to financial freedom. I hope you're doing well. It's Tuesday, it's my day, and I'm excited to be with you today because guess what? I'm shooting this on Monday, and guess what today is? Whoop, whoop. We've all been waiting for it. The big merger. It happened. AT&T and Warner Media and Discovery. The big bang, right? So let's talk about AT&T, my favorite subject these days. So AT&T and Warner Brothers Discovery made the sale. It's been finalized, and as of yesterday, on Monday, they combined, and you got your shares. So if you owned AT&T, you got to keep your existing shares of AT&T. The price did drop by about $4 or $4 and some change, and you now own shares of WBD, the new company that Warner Media and Discovery have formulated. So the ticker is WBD. So for me, I own 12,000 shares of AT&T, and I now own 2,903 shares of WBD. You know, I started this portfolio 2 years ago, buying a little bit, and now here I am. I'm at 12,000 shares of AT&T, and then I got 2,903 shares of the new company, the Warner Brothers Discovery, and the total value of mine is now at $301,328.10. So if you take my 12,000 shares, and let's take the 12,000 shares and times that by $1.11, I'm going to make $13,320 on my investment, which if you take $13,320 and divide it by what I've got invested, which is 301, 328, 10, I'm getting about a 4% yield on my money. And it's way better than I can get right now in the bank. If you remember, I had sold a condo in Florida, and I took all the money and I started buying AT&T shares. I didn't buy them all at one time. Matter of fact, I was in AT&T. My average was $26.81 per share. So when the split and they dropped down, I hadn't been able to get back. I've been cost averaging since it's been in the 23 and 22 range. But I wasn't able to get back down, and I was down. I was always taking my dividends as cash. So I wasn't having that compounding, and I don't normally do that, but because of all the trying to decide what AT&T was doing and what was going on with AT&T, with Warner Media and Discovery, I just decided to start taking cash dividends. So last quarter, they paid me over $5,000 in cash. And you can do it either way. I will probably start reinvesting again in AT&T and quit taking cash because I wasn't using the cash. I just was nervous about AT&T, but I'm not now because I was down about 30,000. I remember, but that doesn't include all the dividends that came. If you took the dividends and what I got in dividends, I was really down about 10,000 on AT&T. And I'm excited because AT&T, you know, the ex-dividend date is coming up. You want to make sure that you get your shares bought tomorrow or today. Actually, it's 4/13 is the ex-dividend date. So today, get your shares bought today. And if you want to buy shares to get the 20.2775 is now the new dividend amount. It used to be 52 cents a share. It has now been lowered, and you'll be paid on May 2nd for every share you have. The forward yield will be 5.56%, and you'll be receiving $1.11 per share per year. So if you want $1,000 a year in passive income, go buy 901 shares of AT&T. It's trading for about $19.50 right now. I'm doing this video on Monday. So it's trading for $19.50 right now. That will give you about $1,000 and some change this year at $1.11 a share. Now that will cost you about $17,000 to get 901 shares. But guess what? You got to get started. That's a goal. So let's drop that goal down to you want to make $100 a year. If you're just starting building passive income, great way to start. Remember, you will get 27 cents per share. So 27.75, okay? But think about it, 27 cents. It's really about almost 28, but let's say 27 cents. And if you want to make, let's say if you had 10 shares. If you had 10 shares, that's $2, and let's get the calculator out because Lord knows let's do the full 0.2775. 25 shares, buy 25 shares, and that will equal, so times, okay, 0.2775 times 25 shares equals $6.93, 75, so $6.94 if we round up, that you would get per quarter. Okay, so let's do $1.11 because that's the yearly times 25. You'd make $27.75, but let's take 25 and times it by $19.50. The investment is $487. So you got to start somewhere, you guys. Rome wasn't built overnight, and you know that, and you got to start somewhere. Just get started. It's going to be one of the best dividend payers. We really feel like that AT&T is excited about what's going on in the future. AT&T expects to continue to deliver just over $8 billion in cash via annual total dividends to its shareholders after the close of Warner Media Discovery transaction. This represents a payout of about 40% against expected 2023 free cash flow in the amount of $20 billion range, and will position the company stock among the best dividend yielding stocks in the United States, near the top of the Fortune 500. I'm excited. You all know, listen, I'm their AT&T's biggest cheerleader. Oh my gosh. I've been cheering for AT&T for 2 years. It's one of my favorite companies. I'm going to continue cheering. Come join me. Get on board. Start dividend investing today. This is exciting. You can go buy AT&T, get it at the $19 range. JP Morgan said has given it a price, they reinstated an overweight and sales price of $22. Bank of America Securities lowers price of AT&T since of the split to $25, but maintains buy. So I think it's a great stock. I think you need to get in while you can and buy you some AT&T stock and start earning dividends. All right, you guys, I'll see you next Tuesday. Remember, it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. And are you buying assets that throw you off a passive income? That's what this channel's about. Down Home Money brings it to you every week on Tuesdays. We talk about stocks, real estate, dividend investing, and guess what, you guys? I'm going to have you in next week's video. I'm starting a video. I am remodeling a house, and you're going to get to watch me through the whole process. I'll dedicate one video a month towards the remodeling of the house. I'll give you the prices, what it's costing me for the remodel, so that you can be aware and be informed. All right, I can't wait to see you again next week. Same place, same channel. We'll see you later. See ya. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you later. Oh, Down Home Money, A Simple Approach to Financial Freedom. You can get my book on Amazon. See you later.